Guys, welcome back to the channel Texas Tiger Junior. Make sure you hit the like button, subscribe and comment down in the comment box about this video, and don't forget to share this video with your friends and families. So without any wasting time, let's get into the video. So today I have something interesting for you. So come with me. I have bought these speakers from Amazon at rupees 964, but basically during offers it can reduce to near about 600. So this is the box of our Zeb Wonder Bar 10. Here are some specifications about it. This is the marked price, which is not actually the real price, and this is made in China. So here comes our soundbar. Let's bring it out. So let's keep the empty box aside because there is nothing inside, and let's get into our product review. To be honest, one feels more excited while you unwrap some new product rather than using it. So the avatar time ends here, and there comes our Zeb Wonder Bar 10 from Zebronics. It looks quite premium with this volume roller button, which is premium with a plastic finish look everywhere throughout this Zeb Wonder Bar 10. So it is wholly based on cables and you will not get the Bluetooth option. It is a back portion which is also quite premium, and you will not get the Bluetooth option here. It is only based on cables, and you can connect easily with your PC or laptop and also with your TV. Wherever you connect, you will not face any problems, and these are the cables. You can see it's quite well. So it is a quite amazing part of this product. It is attachable and also detachable. If you detach the soundbar, then it becomes two individual speakers for your PC or laptop. The stands provided here will help you to keep it anywhere you want. So seeing this, we can make it out that there are 4 speakers coming with it, but this is not the case. I will make you understand in the latter part of the video. So this is how our Zeb Wonder Bar glows when the sun says Tata bye bye, but the moon says hello I. Now seriously, not joking, but this looks really breathtaking. It's breathtaking RGB lights completely changes the atmosphere of your PC, and it looks really eye-catchy, trust me. So guys, now let me give you some idea about these RGB lightings. You can see the upper part of the speaker. It is like floating colors which is as if rotating. Quite well done, as it represents a rotating disc. Sorry to make you disheartened, but if you are thinking that there are 4 speakers in total, then you are completely wrong. The upper ones are specialized for the RGB lightings. Though the lower ones also come with RGB lightings, still they are specialized for the output sound. Don't get disheartened, because your smiles will be back when you will come to know about the loudness of them. Seriously, it represents the roar of a Royal Bengal tiger. Now see one thing quickly. This is an external headphone which comes with these jacks. This is the microphone jack which you can connect with this external port provided with this Zebronics, and this one is a headphone jack which you can connect with the external headphone jack provided with the Wonder Bar. So easy. Coming to the most important part is sound quality and the loudness it can create. So let us first listen. So you have already heard the sound quality of the Zebronics Wonder Bar 10. Now if you ask my opinion about it, then I want to tell you that its loudness, I will give 5 stars, a total of 5 stars for its loudness. Now if you guys ask me about its sound quality, then I want to tell you that when you reach the highest level of its sound, means the full volume, when you take it to the full volume, then the sound cracks a bit. And if you are wanting a sound system level, home theater level sound quality, then I'm so sorry pros, because you will not get such good quality. Then you should not go for this option if you are only wanting sound. But if you are wanting it as a whole, then the RGB lighting will be definitely a good option. Its RGB lightings are breathtaking and it will take your PC to a different level. It will completely change your PC setup and it is definitely a value for money. If you want me to say about its bass, then its bass is good. You will get bass, but not as good as home theaters or sound system like Sony and Boss. You should not ask for such a bass from these speakers, because you have to consider the price range, and considering the price range, it is as a whole, it is just awesome, and I will definitely recommend these speakers for you guys. Thank you.